Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pressed Cafe app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pressed Cafe is a food ordering app designed to make it easier for customers to enjoy their favorite meals, coffees, and smoothies from the popular Pressed Cafe restaurant chain. The app allows users to browse the full menu, customize orders, and choose between pickup or delivery options. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering a quick and convenient way to order breakfast, lunch, or dinner directly from your phone. The app's main feature is its simple ordering system and fast checkout process. Users can save their favorite items, reorder past meals, and earn rewards through the built-in loyalty program. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, showcasing Pressed Cafe's signature offerings like handcrafted sandwiches, bowls, and espresso drinks. It also supports mobile payments, helping customers skip the line and grab their meals quickly. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's smooth performance, accurate order handling, and responsive delivery service. The loyalty reward system is another highlight, giving regular customers points for every purchase. However, some users have reported occasional app crashes and issues with location accuracy for delivery. Additionally, menu updates can sometimes lag behind in certain locations. In summary, the Pressed Cafe app may be worth using if you frequently visit the restaurant and want an easy way to order, earn rewards, and skip waiting times. However, if you prefer using third-party delivery platforms or live outside Pressed Cafe's delivery zones, it might not be as essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.